Why do 60% of young adults prefer side hustles over traditional jobs? Because they're awesome. Here's how you can join them. First up, freelancing. Got a skill? Turn it into cash by offering your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. It's like being your own boss without the tie. Second, online surveys. Yeah, you heard me right. Sign up for sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie and get paid for sharing your opinion. It's like being paid to talk. Third, selling stuff online, from Etsy to eBay. You can sell anything from handmade crafts to vintage finds. Marie Kondo, your life and make bank. Fourth, affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission. It's like getting paid to be a fanboy or fangirl. And finally, content creation. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or blogging, share your passion and monetize it. Who knew being yourself could be so profitable?